Hello everyone. Welcome to the ChatGPT workshop. First of all, thank you so much. You may have chosen to do something else, but you have shown up. It indicates that you are committed for your growth. And this workshop will help you to take this ChatGPT tool and use it its full potential. Let's start. And I hope my screen is visible, my voice is audible. With that, let's go and understand. Most professionals I have met is know about ChatGPT, but few of them know how to use its full potential. You are maybe a freelancer who want to get income by using your freelance activities. You may be a job seeker want to get the job, or already you are doing some job and you want better package, better promotion, or you may be a housewife who want to start her own business. This ChatGPT workshop will help you to take this tool and use it for what the work you want to achieve through digital. And now let's go ahead and understand more details. My name is Sudhanshu. I have worked in Oracle and Nike in their AI cloud club, where I deeply understand from last 5 years how the AI models have been creating and the impact and use of this particular tool. And I will give you step-by-step framework which you can take and implement. So this session will be like 20% knowledge, 80% implementation. Are you ready to implement? Please fire your chat box right now to let me energize, and with that we will start. Wow, lots of people are ready to understand and implement. So then we start. How many of you think Virat Kohli is King Kohli? And I believe most of you definitely know about Virat Kohli. Are not you? Yes. Now, if Virat Kohli is not a cricketer, let's see. First, make him king and what other professions he can do. Let's check this Instagram. Let it load. Here it come. Virat Kohli as King Kohli. Do you love this image? Then how about this? The captain of Chandrayaan. Is not he looking cool? A football player, a musician, a doctor. Virat Kohli as the army head. Virat Kohli as the fruit vendor. Virat Kohli on his new style, new look, and a police officer. Do you guys know all these images have been created by a AI tool called Midjourney? And this guy, Sahid, who shared this, created a viral Instagram post by sharing all this. How these things making to the next level? One question to all of you. Is not it great to know some tools which can help you and give you productivity? Yes, right? Wow, wonderful. So for you all guys, now let's move understand what is this ChatGPT, which is the building block to use other tools and created so sensational news that when it launches within 5 days, it get that many users which Facebook took 10 months. So coming to know more about ChatGPT, I want to know where you stand. That means what is your expertise level. Are you familiar but have not used it? You already using it in various purposes. You have tried the basic task, or you are an advanced user. Please let me know on which stage you are. Now with this, wow, from this understanding, I am seeing lots of persons over here is know about it but not used. And this workshop is really a platform or a catalyst will help you to at least go ahead and use ChatGPT in a better way. What is ChatGPT? First of all, it is a AI tool. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence, which means computers getting knowledge plus intelligent. Intelligent is what? I will give you a small description or demo just before understanding what is ChatGPT. It is a friend of your who can give you contextual knowledge. That means on which context, maybe you are asking some question on space, so it will understand that context and will give you the answer. Maybe you are someone who is doing social media marketing, it will understand that context and will give you the answer. Like your friend, you may be sad today, your friend understand and use that words, right, what happened, can I help you? You will see ChatGPT also can understand that context. Is not a good tool, right? Now it operates in a Q&A style, means you ask question, it will give the answer. You ask question, it will give the answer. You know or not, garbage in, garbage out. If you ask a dumb question, it will give you the dumb answer. If you ask smart questions, it is going to give you the smart answers. So with this, let's go ahead right now and we will see what is ChatGPT command prompt. So this is where chat.openai.com. This is, you can log in. It's a free tool and it just required a email and some phone number to verify and you are in. There is no more settings, but I just want to show you. There is a theme which you can choose from dark to light, light to dark or system, or there is controls are there. How, if you, whatever the data available you want to export, all this is the two simple things. Let's start. So this is the command prompt where we will ask the question and it will give me the answer. What is ChatGPT? So now you see, I have asked a basic question. It is called basic prompt. It has given me the basic answer. The ChatGPT is a language model. This. Now I don't want answer like this. I want, give me 3 lines description and 5 points about its advantage. This is where your smart prompt will work. Now you see, it has given me ChatGPT is a powerful language model by OpenAI and it generates human-like text response. The advantages are its versatility, scalability, efficiency, and 24/7 availability. Cool, right? Now let's ask ChatGPT to, can you create a PPT on ChatGPT? So it is saying I cannot create a PPT, but I can give you what should be PPT look like the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, like this. Cool, right? So now it has told me that for a ChatGPT PPT, these are the things to be there. What if I need you only do the work? That means, can you please put the data and content in each slides so that I can, like you told to your friend, I can present. भाई मेरा पीपीटी बना दे और उसमें लिख भी दे. देखो, it has now created the slides and put the PPTs over there. That okay, this is the introduction. What should be in the introduction? How ChatGPT work? All the 10 or 12 slides it has created. So what I am going to do right now is how it will be great that I can definitely improve, but right now I want create generate my project. I have gone to one tool, send steps, and I want to create a presentation. We can create presentation and quiz about. I have given the topic what he has given me. Then I said next. It is asking me for the language. I will choose English. I will tell. So my, let's say my customer is a student and it is asking. It will suggest me different presentation title. So I will say this is the title. So all this, choose the best title for your presentation. I chose it. Now I'll say next. So how many slides I want? 6, 12, detail 15, means 30 minutes long, 20 minutes long, 10 minutes long. Let's say only 12 slides. The great thing is it will create the PPT. So what you have to do? Go and present. Any modification, any new information. Now within how many minutes? You see, it is going to create a slide for you. Tell me, is not a now a powerful area where you must learn these things and use it on its full potential. So it is finishing up. While it is finishing up, I want to show you that, let's see how you can use ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT you can use for increasing your productivity and effectiveness and mastering different AI tools. Start with ChatGPT. Can save up to 30 minutes minimum daily and max to 3 hours and more once you understand how good you are becoming to use this all the tools which will give you productivity, more money, and you can start your side income within 21 days. That's how these things are powerful. So what is this artificial intelligence impacts? Is it really arrived? Is it really I should be concerned or I should be interested or I should be excited? This is my question to you. Are you excited about to know AI or are you worried about AI? Are you concerned about AI? This is a primarily your choice. So let's go and see what India today is saying. AI will replace millions of jobs by 2030. And it is not only this article. To open up maximum research-based articles, they are talking about this. That it is going to replace because it is already making lots of job easy. Should we now worried about it? Yes, we should be concerned. Then what is that next step? If it is going to take job, is my job is in that where I have to do what? Yes, you have to improve. You have to use my. Let's go and see this article, then we will discuss more. What this article is saying, AI will create 97 million jobs. Is not it crazy enough? Now, in one hand, AI is going to replace million of jobs. Other hand, it is also opening up the opportunities like by 2025, Its World Economic Forum is only saying that 97 million new jobs will be created. That means the old job, old style is going out because that jobs AI will take out. But from AI, we will get new type of job. So it's not it a right time to invest your time to learn these new skills which will help you. And from coming from this AI background, I want to tell you to use the tool for your productivity work or the field you want, and the new jobs it is coming up. You do not have to be a computer science student. Definitely those students will go on a path, but as a non-technical person, even if you have never used any technical things like mobiles, when it initially came, this is the some device maybe dangerous, we don't use. But our parents nowadays, how mobile they are using, that is how we can learn these tools. And one of the thing important is you can use this to get your income, get your new job, and it is a good thing to start now onwards on investing your time. So let's go back and understand whether it is created our presentation. My dear friend, our presentation is ready. You see, it's saying it is ready. Now, if you want to make some changes, you can go ahead and do, but it has created a beautiful presentation for us. Are you getting how powerful these things are? So this is cool, right? So we can export to PowerPoint. But what I want to give you is, now you see, we can use this and we can go ahead this particular tool to help us to improve our performance. Okay. So within very few minutes, I have shown with the ChatGPT, we get the content. We created using one AI tool, the presentation itself. Before, when I have not using this, I may have taken one full day or 2 days to find out and getting the content, then another 3-4 days to create the presentation. But within 30 minutes, I can present and I can get the main point so that I can also go ahead and showcase to whom I want to show, maybe a seminar or workshop or maybe what that. And this presentation, what I am showing you right now on my slides, I have created using the great AI tools. And right now we have also seen the impacts of AI, that how it is going to help us when it is having a problem with the old job. If you are not upgrading, also it is creating lots of new jobs. And that's why I encourage all of you to please use it, then you will master on it. My question right now, before I proceed to all of you, if you have a preference when it comes to style, speed, time, are you going to use a old scooter or you are going with Royal Enfield? What's your choice? Your choice will definitely determine how speed you are going to get your output, how desperate you are looking for your performance, or the person you want to become, or the job you are looking for, or the freelancing work you are doing, or the work what you have procrastinated from a long period of time and you want to start. Which one you will choose? Please tell me in my comment sections. It's Royal Enfield or that old scooter? Most of you go with Royal Enfields. Wow, that's wonderful. Some people are saying old scooter. Maybe you are emotionally attached. Yes, it's my father's old scooter. That's good. But if I have an option to go for a speed, style, and time, obvious choice with Royal Enfield. Yes, that's why when ChatGPT coming into the picture, you have a option, go with basic normal prompts, which will, like I have already told, the way you put your question, that way you will get your output. But if you make yourself knowledgeous to understand how smartly it can work, then you have to understand the smart prompts. So I will go ahead and show you some basic smart prompts and encourage you to come forward and join with me on our eSkilling Growth Hub, where we give you step-by-step framework to create smart prompts, which will help you to use ChatGPT in a 10x speed. Also, use some other AI tools, maybe on your social media, maybe you are searching a job, creating resume, creating PPT, all these stuffs you can accelerate now you're producing. And once you are accelerating, definitely you are going to get the result and be productive and save your time. So let's move to once again to Chat GPT, where we will live go with some of the, let's take a new chart, smart prompts. So as I shown you, we changed the initial stage and it has created the PPT. Like, that is where we are going to show more smart prompts to you. So I have come to our reference points where there is normal prompts and smart prompts. We have created a lots of articles for you. Now I am going with some basic one. Let's say a normal prompt. What is 2 plus 2? It's just a normal prompt for ChatGPT. So ask it. Obvious, it is saying 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Great. Now, how can I give some smart prompts? So smart prompts is something where I am telling him to understand my requirement and think like a human and give me back. Let's say, hey, how it's going? I'm feeling under the weather. Let's see what ChatGPT is saying. Even if it is saying I'm a computer program, I don't have feelings, but he's help extending his helping hand, man, and saying I'm sorry to hear that. That means it is understanding the context. I have not said I am sad, but it has understand my context. This is how a smart prompt you can curate and ask this guy to help you. Let's go with some more. So we can just ask, tell me something about World War II. It's a normal prompt. Definitely it will going to give some answers because the model has been fitted. It is saying World War II, causes, measures, timelines, and all that. However, let it be finished. It is giving all the information on World War II. However, I want some specific output. Like, I want, please give me, I will create right now, Smartman. Give a 200 lines description which having the causes, impact, and future decision. Also gives 3 suggestions to avoid it further. Now see, I have given some context to it. So now it has created 200 lines. Now it is talking about causes, what makes this World War II. What I am trying to show you is you can create your prompt in such a way that what it fulfill your desired output, and it requires some science and techniques to help you get through the result. Now it has also giving you the conclusion and how you can avoid. There are a couple of other prompts are over here, and as I go, let's tell ChatGPT to create a guide. So I can say create a guide. I want to make you understand this is a normal prompt. It started off creating a guide. However, I want a specific way. That's how I can tell him create a comprehensive guide on utilizing ChatGPT effectively, offer practical advice, real-time examples, innovative ideas on this. So this is the command. Now you see ChatGPT will go in a altogether different perspective, and this is what I am saying, a smart prompts. Now it is giving us the results what I need. With that, it is also will give me a mind map kind of creating full structure. The power is lies on the prompt what we are going to use. Like I have told him to give how ChatGPT is effectively and creatively could create a guide. So it has creating this. I can give him maximum sentence for 5 lines or 10 lines. It can go ahead, or 5 pages, 6 pages. It can go ahead and create it. I hope you are now understanding how you can take ChatGPT to create a beautiful command prompt which understand your requirement. That is where the smart prompts will come into the picture. Next, we will move forward. But before that, I want to show something to you, like how the smart prompt use this. We have a lots of showcases over here. This work on this 7 steps framework, which we are on our community members, we are telling them how they can use it and become smart on it. Okay. And we are giving assignments. According to that, they are going to create the prompts, understand, and you, once you join our community and become a paid member, then you can also get the access to this type of prompts and in a different context. Let me show you. Let's say you want to have some contents where you want to create YouTube. So we have ready-made prompts like this, where you can create YouTube scripts, YouTube ad, YouTube something, whatever you want. We have already created a lots of comments, the prompts for you. Let's go and see. We want Instagram posts. So how this, let's take this one. So this is where all the power lies. It will give me a 30 days Instagram program. So it is asking me the subject. I will say, let's take money management. We created this prompt such a way that you just go ahead and use it. So day 1, what post, day 2, what post, day 3, it will give it. It can create the calendar also. Create 30 days calendar. Oh, it's creating the day 30 days calendar. Okay, so that's how this smart prompts libraries we are coming up, where you can use these prompts for the work you want. Then you can be master on top of it. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, LinkedIn prompts, blogs and articles, emails, copywriting. If you want to create a web page, how to get it? There is ready-made prompts are available. It can give you the output. Just you take it, paste on your web page. Your landing page, maybe for you are selling a product or something, will be ready. Okay, how many people are excited? Please join eSkilly community, and we have paid membership where you can, once you are upgraded, you will able to access this. And we are also this particular platform. I am going to talk more on this after this. Let me go back. How many people so far enjoying it, getting it useful, and excited to join our community? Thank you so much. So this is where I'm talking about. I have already shown up how you can create and curate the smart prompts so that it help you. Now there are different practical use cases on AI integration in IT and AI. You can use it for creating your own command, code optimization, toolkit, what so it is. And I want to give you one thing right now, where You know all Bill Gates are not it. What Bill Gates has told. Once you read, let me have some water. The age of AI has begun. So this is Gates' note. He published every times articles, and he's saying the first revolution happened on 1980. Two technological revolution happened. One is 1980 when GPI, you know, right? Graphical user interface. Oh, it came up. The second one he's saying is just last year when he met OpenAI. Bill Gates, if it is saying, then you can understand the power of AI is so revolution that every big companies are on it. And this is the right time because it is really not going to come. It is already arrived. What Elon Musk has told, if you will see, is saying AI tweet, something he do Twitter X. He's creating a company called XI. AI will not replace humans. This is what they are talking about. That AI will not replace you, but the person who know how to use AI, they are going to replace you. This is so powerful on this. Coming back to our context, definitely this is the time to go ahead and master an AI tools. I want to repeat one thing, dear friend. It does not require any technical knowledge or you become a computer science to understand this. That's how our e-skill growth hub is going to help you to understand. You can subscribe to our channel and also become a paid member. So how you can, let me give you that. Before that, wherever you can use, like as I have already told, if you want to enhance your presentation design, you are a housewife, you want coming to have some income, you can take any freelancing activities, you can do IT or any other works, AI in medicines, medicals, pharmacy, computers, retail, in all the things AI is coming up and you can use that. So there are, I have already told, sorry. Okay. So this is where I am talking about our skill growth hub, where we are creating a community of AI leaders. My mission is over here to create 1 lakh AI leaders who will create and impact the use of AI tools in the society. And this is where our e-skill growth have created some courses and we are going with one-to-one consulting. We have career growth champion challenge, that is a 21 days challenge on the AI content mastery. However, it is extended to a 90 days career growth champion challenge. That means a hackathon of 90 days, where if you are looking for a job or you are doing a job, you want to switch a job or you want to start something by full-fledged from the very basic to started building 90 days, you are going to set up your everything. It is like you can put your sub on 90 days. Next is we have ChatGPT smart prompts, where we are going to give you the fundamentals and the prompt techniques. We have a niche clarity blueprints, which is very important for me. With all of your permission, can I share my story? I have started my career when I passed out from ITR, which is a very prominent college in Bhubaneswar. From 500 to 600 students, you know, like, right? ITR gives 100% placement. 10 to 12 people left out, and I am one of them. The last 2 days, when college is going to be finished, all are planning for their maybe vacation because they are yet to job join where they got the offer, or some people are for planning for higher studies. The last 2 days, like when I'm packing up my luggages, I don't want to go my home. I'm packing up, putting everything, and I called my uncle to take my luggages so that I kept one bag. And I just, I don't, my parents are supportive, but I just want to go to place where jobs are available. I know one place, Bangalore, board the train and reach there. Initial days, it's 2008. I heard the first time the word recession. Literally on morning, we are creating a boss pass, going to each company because I don't know. I met some 2, 3 people over there. Each morning we will board the bus, create the bus pass so that up to evening we can go. Giving resumes to each companies where I have seen there is a IT company. Crazy, right? Then doing this, coming 12 o'clock on the bus station itself, having that food which I am not acquainted, but doing all this is really crazy. And this so many failure, even if later on point we started up giving reasons to technical support, non-IT jobs, what so come? When I'm decided that this is not the city or place one mentor so up, I have given up all my hope. He told me one thing. See, man, you came so far not to become so broken. Definitely, you can stand and see what market is changing. Understand the pulse. Maybe market is giving a signal that this is what they are looking for. Maybe what job you are thinking is not right now available, but market is giving a signal. Can you able to understand it? This whole world changed for me from that day. And from a non, I don't have a good communication skill. That is also that time I don't know because no one is there to give me a feedback. I have started my initial jobs with 5,000, 6,000, which my friends' monthly salary is 20 times. I have never thought of the work I am going to do. But that one market is giving signal. I I thought of I will understand the signal. And fast forward when I'm gone into Oracle because I love Java, I love technology. And the day I joined a company which owns Java, which is in database, is Oracle. And working over there, one thing I have not live up is market is giving signal. I update my knowledge skills and I worked on the so-called growth technology called AI fields on that time 5 years back. And some of the things is really very powerful that you understand your niche. That means where you are good at, what market is looking for, what you can give so that you can earn money. 3 things should to be create your ikigai. If you don't know, go and search an ikigai. And we are giving chatbot. Come back. ChatGPT ebooks, which is very powerful to use this particular tool. Lots of people ask me whether ChatGPT or Google, but I want to tell you one thing very straight and forward. ChatGPT is already on the race. It's like, but all have their advantages and limitations. I see technology as like this. So if you are starting up, ChatGPT is a very good free tools, and you can start. There are lots of supporting system. That means ecosystems is there. Lots of experts are there who can help you to grow, and then you can go ahead and use any AI tools and master on top of it. But start from one thing, understand, use it, implement it fully, and go to any other things over there. But sit in one thing for a long period of time, other things it will get acquainted. So we are giving bonuses if you are joining our community, that if you will finish our courses, we are giving back. That means you will believe that your money what you have invested, you are returning it back. To know more, connect with our teams. They will help you to understand and onboard on our eScaling Growth Hub. With that, thank you so much, and please ask any questions you have, which we will address and get you back. You can connect with one-to-one with us. And thank you. Have a great day.